Heather with Keep It Simple Social Media, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a video that's longer than 15 seconds to your Instagram story so Instagram will slice it up into 15-second videos for you. So let's go ahead and click on the plus on your account to add a story. Now it is in your Stories tab, hi, how are you, that you're going to click on your video. And there's my video right there. You see that? That video is 27 seconds. So it can be split into two videos, one 15-second and the other, of course, 12 seconds. So I click on the video and you can see that now in the bottom corner, there are two videos there, one and there's the second one too. So it's already split them up. Now, if this video was actually 60 seconds, it would split the video into four 15-second videos. So now we can go ahead and we can add some filters to it if we wanted, or locations. And I'm going to go ahead and add my location. And I could even add a cute little GIF, and mine might be, I'll put dog in here and see what comes up. There's certainly some cute ones, isn't there? And so I might add something like this. And oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. All right. And so there, but if I want my location to be on the second video, I just have to click on the bottom left-hand second video. And you see, there it is. And I can go ahead and I can add all the little filters once again, or I can add little GIFs that I want to add. I can click on the location. I can cancel. I might put something like this on here and doesn't quite fit. Let's see. And you can just keep adding things to it if you want. I'm going to cancel out of here, click on the location. I'm going to add my location again. And I'm kind of going to squeeze it to make it a little smaller. If you don't like the filter that you chose, then what you can do is just go ahead and you can move it around, see, and you can throw it in the garbage. It didn't go in, so I got to throw it again, and there it's in the garbage. And so just have some fun and look at all of the different things you can do. And I might put doggy love. And there you go, doggy love is my hashtag up there. And I might click on here and go after some hearts. Oh, look at that pretty heart that spins and matches the pillow, right? Look at all the little things that you can do. So that's on the second one. And let's go back to the first one and see if you're happy with it. You might add some sparkles, or let's see what else. We could have the green one. Yeah. So that is how you add a video that's longer than 15 seconds to your Instagram story. And then, of course, you just click on next and it says to your story, and you click on go ahead and share.